The golden age of gunpla was a period of roughly 10 years spurred by the proliferation of the internet and low material costs in the mid-2000s and allayed by increasing global demand and a market shift in Bandai's ambitions in the mid-2010s. Gunpla, of course, continues to experiment and develop today, but this was a time of unparalleled access, innovation, and diversity, unseen before or since. Hello, I'm Citrus, and I aim to bring you the best of Gunpla's golden age by showcasing some of the most exemplary kits of this era, each minimally detailed with only simple techniques you can replicate at home. My goal is to help you find the best kits for your taste and budget so that your precious building time is well spent, meditative, and enriching. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.